about the voter turnout. You are saying about the by-elections, actually the turnout ranges between 40 and 30 to 40. What makes you so confident that people will turn out so far?
People will turn out because we have our own ways of mobilization. And we are sure, up to now, we are executing our strategies of mobilization and they are working. So I'm certain by around 4, because, you know, today, as much as it was gazetted as an election day, people had already fixed themselves in different errands. So we're mobilizing them as per their commitments. Some have gone to market centers to try and do business before they come and vote. So we are certain that by around 3-4 we shall be at 40%, especially here in Kakamega town. We shall be at 40-50%, which is good for us. But whatever the turnout, the rule is simple majority. Even if 10% turnouts and cast a vote in today's election, I'm certain that in the 10%, I'm still the winner. So the voter turnout is not an issue for today. The issue is who will win the elections. Simple majority. That is our focus today. Thanks.
There have been some instances where there have been issues with the KIMS kits. Are you aware of that? And have this been addressed?
Yeah, one or two places, especially in Malava, in Nangili, Stream 4, in Mirembe polling station in Lukuyani, in Lumakanda. We've had one or two streams which are a faulty KIMS kit, but the IBC came in handy to ensure that they have corrected the mess, and that is why I'm saying I have a lot of confidence with the IBC staff. This time round, last time we had 281 KIMS kits not working. Today we've only received complaints in less than 20 KIMS kits not working, and they have been corrected. So I have confidence in IBC, and we are doing well. Thank you. I have my colleagues here. I have Honorable Dagala and Senator Petronila Were and the ANC chairperson. Maybe they can say something.
Maybe, Madam, you've been walking around with Mush. Maybe from your assessment, is it something that is actually with the integrity?
Okay, all right. We are certain. We've moved around several polling stations and you've seen the exercise going on very well. And we are very sure at the end of the day, Malala will come up as the governor of Kakamega County. We pray that the exercise continue the way it's continuing on. And we know Kakamega people have already decided it is Cleopas Malala.
Thank you. Yes, good afternoon. I'm Senator Petronila Were Locorio, a member of ANC. We woke up quite early, went around the polling stations. As the governor to come has said, they opened quite early. IBC was very prepared, which we expect that they would have, because there's only one election happening today, the one for the postponed gubernatorial. So we are confident and we are happy that IBC has remained professional in this exercise, and we hope that even at the tallying point at the end of voting, that they'll remain professional. We thank you, the media, also for being here and following up this and reporting anything you see that is amiss. We continue to pray for Kenya, and we ask that those who lose, please accept the result of the election, just as we have said that we will, so that we can help the country heal and move forward. Thank you very much.
Chairman ANC.
Maji yangu ni mafupi tu, naimiza wakazi wa Kakamega County kwamba waweze kujitokeza kwa wingi ili waweze kupata haki yao. Ni muhimu kwamba